Congratulations, third straight win ang team. Anong masasabi mo sa performance?
Based sa performance kanina, okay naman. Lalo na yung third set, medyo malaking score. Okay naman. At least hindi masyado nagpabaya dun sa mga basic skills na ginagawa namin palagi. Yun na.
Thank you, Coach. Ate Lai, third straight win ng Dreamline and marami ring players ng Dreamline yung nakapaglaro today. Ano lang din masasabi mo sa yung naging performance ng team overall?
Well, we're very happy sa performance nga and we're very proud of everyone who played today. But, yun, sinasabi din sa amin ng coach that we can't be parang too complacent din talaga. Most especially kahit galleries, yung kalaban din namin, kailangan may respect and andun pa rin yung aggressiveness namin. And yung madami pa rin nakitang lapses in today's game, so si coach ay bahala sa amin.
Thank you. For the question.
Coach, ano lang masasabi niyo sa iba yung players na nag-contribute din today na nagka-chance kayo na iikot yung rotation?
Okay yung rotation. Actually, every game naman kahit sino yung kalaban, pwedeng maging rotation yung yung team namin. So, ngayon naman, sabi naman namin mag-perform ng maganda. I-ready yung sarili nila kung sino nasa loob. So, masaya kami kasi lahat naman nag-perform talaga ng maganda.
Like, from a player's perspective na lang, gano'ng kabig yung mga ganitong games na kumbaga naro-rotate yung mga tao, nagkakaroon din kayo ng adequate rest, especially since mahaba yung conference natin this time.
Well, I think that's one of the advantages also kasi yun, as you said, napakahaba ng conference. But we have ample time also to prepare for each and every game. So, very crucial, most especially laging biruan lang din naman sa team namin, but definitely isa kami sa mga team na matatagal na din dito sa PBL and isa kami sa mga team na mas madami din talagang veteran. So, very, we take that as an advantage for us. So, hopefully maganda yung reward sa amin and result sa amin ito para mas humaba pa rin yung at mas maganda yung mga performances namin every game.
Coach, tsaka Liza, tapos yun na yung stint ni Gia sa Japan. Ano lang masasabi niyo sa kanya?
Congratulations!
Congratulations! And about sa straight na sa paglalaro, wala pa ako talagang balita. So, hindi ko masasagot.
Ginanahan mo na ako.
Wala as in, wala pa
Yeah.
talaga.
But we want to congratulate her team as well. Super ganda.
Nag-flip sila, so I think medyo yung ranking nila tumaas. Wala pa talaga eh.
Yeah, but we miss her and we wanna say we're very happy for her din talaga.
For Ate Lai, so even with new additions and today's second stringers dating, siguro what can you say about Dreamline's steady start? Kumbaga slow and steady ba yung approach habang nag-build up yung confidence?
Very slow and steady start din talaga for us. But I guess we'll take it. We learn from every games and that's the most important thing. Every game din talagang madaming nakikita na kailangan pang i-correct sa amin. So we have to accept it and take it na ganito yung nilalaro namin and then eventually hopefully mas tumaas at mas mag-improve pa kami every single game. So sino coach ay bahala sa amin but we're just really gonna listen to them. Kyle, wala ba si Kyle?
Coach and Ate Lai, next game against Strong Group. Currently, wala pa silang panalo. For sure, hungry din sila to get that win. Paano lang makakatulong tong win na to to prepare for that game?
Syempre yung moral ng team lalong tumataas kasi medyo continuous yung games. Pero magpe-prepare kami.
Yeah.
Kasi sa training, kahit wala kaming kalaban, nagpe-prepare naman kami.
Yes.
So, kahit na strong group yung kalaban namin, talagang paghahandaan namin. Focus muna kami sa kanila.
Yes. Yes, one game at a time, definitely. Alam mo, in this conference siguro, ang hirap din na, syempre every game, every teams naman nagtitraining din. Sasabihin lagi ni coach sa amin, naglalaro sila ng volleyball. So, at the end of the day, we have to prepare for every teams na makakalaban namin. So, focus kami and we'll work harder in practice para sa next game.
Thank you,
Yes,
Coach.
Shay. Thank you.
Congrats.